In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate Social Media Manager on Glassdoor, Career Search 2026. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to glassdoor.com. You can use Glassdoor without logging in, but signing in gives you the full experience, like saving jobs and seeing more tailored results. If you're only browsing today, you can continue without an account and still follow along smoothly. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Jobs section in the main navigation and click it. This takes you straight to Glassdoor's Job Search area, where you'll see a search bar for titles and a location field right next to it. Everything we need is right here. In the search bar, type Social Media Manager. You don't need quotation marks. Glassdoor understands this as a job title and will match roles that use the same or closely related wording. If you're exploring variations, you can try Social Media Lead or Social Media Marketing Manager later, but keep it simple with Social Media Manager for now so you get a broad list of opportunities. Next, set where you want to work. In the location field, choose the country you're targeting, or switch the location to remote if you want roles you can do from anywhere. Many postings clearly mark remote, hybrid, or on-site. If you're being flexible, start with a country-wide search and refine from there. You can also narrow by city or region if you already have a place in mind. After you run the search, Glassdoor will list all the current Social Media Manager openings that match your criteria. Browse the results and select the job that looks most aligned with your goals. On the left, you'll see job cards with the title, company, location, and sometimes salary ranges and company ratings. Click into a posting to see the full description, including responsibilities, required experience, tools you'll use, and any application instructions. Take a moment to check whether the role mentions platforms you're comfortable managing, such as Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn, and look for indicators like team size, reporting structure, and performance metrics. If a posting stands out but you're not ready to act, use the save option so you can return to it later. That's the process. Go to Glassdoor, sign in if you want the added features, open the jobs area, search for Social Media Manager, choose your country or remote, and then review the listings to pick the roles you prefer. With these steps, you'll quickly zero in on relevant openings and stay organized as you explore what's out there for 2026. Happy searching, and I'll see you in the next one.